Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free seven-figure earner affiliate marketing coaching video, I'd like to share with you how you can get 100% free access to a absolutely superb seven-figure earner coaching on how to succeed with affiliate marketing. The product's called Super Sales Machine. It's 100% free. And all you do is click the link in the description, set up your account, and then you'll get a back office exactly the same as this. And the reason I'm sharing this is because I've learned a lot from this trainer, this coach, Aaron Danker, but I've had a lot of requests from beginners asking for some free tutorial, sort of step by step, how they can go from an A to sort of an A to Z and get started for free. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to play the video just to sort of show you who the coach is. He's called Aaron Danker, and then I'll come back to you and show you, give you an overview of the 100 videos, tutorials you're going to get within this video series.
So who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, for those of you that don't know me, here's a bit of my background. I have a degree in computer games design and A-levels in fine art and music. And even though I have a passion for these subjects, working for someone else was never my thing. I decided a long time ago that I wanted to be my own boss and I had to work for myself. Luckily for me, my skills were transferable. I've been selling online since 2007, started off selling ebooks and CDs on eBay at a time when downloadable files were allowed to be sold. I still remember putting together my first listing and making my first sale for about 20 cents. And even though at the time I made a loss on the sale from the listing fee, it was still a very exciting time for me. But all of this was to my advantage because in 2009, I was able to completely quit my job and go full-time online. I realized that I couldn't rely on eBay or on any site for that matter for my traffic and sales. I knew that if I wanted to do this right, I would need full control. Over the years, I have managed to sharpen my skills, perfect the process, and build a six-figure business that now sells hundreds of info products. During this time, I have also built a mailing list of over 47,000 active subscribers and customers. I've also achieved #1 position in big affiliate contests and finished top 10 on many occasions against some highly established marketers in the industry. I've also achieved premium JVZoo affiliate status for consistently generating a large volume of sales. And I also do one-on-one coaching and I've helped many people from around the world at various skill levels, from complete beginners to senior marketers. This means I can relate to my students, pass on the right information to the right person at the right time when they need to hear it, which is what I hope to do with you guys today.
So thank you very much to Aaron Danker there for just sort of giving a bit of background on the level and the quality of experience that Aaron has. And what you'll see is when you set up your free account, then everything's in modules. So the 7 modules, 100 plus videos, so you can just take your time. There's no rush to do anything. And he'll teach you step by step how to become successful with affiliate marketing. And there's some real detail in this course. So it is a course. It's not just a few videos that show you a few bits here and there. It's a step by step. So you follow the videos, you take action, and it's a course if that's something you're looking to follow and something that works for you. And you'll see there the 7 modules. And you might be asking, well, why is why is Aaron giving you these 100 free video tutorials? Well, one reason is that he likes to help people become successful. But another reason is, which will benefit you, is he'll teach you how to become and promote affiliate products. And if you go into the tab here under products, then what he's done a series of done for you funnels that you can promote, and you earn a commission, and on the back of that he'll earn a commission. So he's created some really superb Very, very professional funnels that, and again, this one here, 300 video membership site to help newbies succeed. So these are all done for you to be able to promote. So the first thing you do is you learn from the video tutorials, and then you've got an option. It's not compulsory, you've got an option. So if I go on here, click here for more details, he's created everything for you. The sales page, it's all done through ClickBank, so you will need a ClickBank account. That's free to join. But this is a sales page that he's created. So it's got a video, 11-minute video sales letter. When they click on there to buy, I'll show you very briefly shortly how much that costs and how much you can make. He's got the very, very professional. He's an expert. He's been doing this since 2009. He knows what works. So you'll see here, it's the complete sales letter. So I'll just go through this here. When you set up your free account, you go into products, and all of these are done for you and given to you to promote. So it's a very long sales letter. I'm not going to go into a lot of great detail, but when you promote these, and then your prospect, if I go on to the buy now button, where's the buy now button? Click here to secure the newbie sales machine. Then you'll see the price is $97, and then you're going to earn commissions by promoting this. So Aaron will earn commissions, and you'll also earn commissions. So it's a win-win for both of you. I'll go back to the top here, and he's done a full portfolio of funnels that you can promote. The Super Sign-Up System, the Super Sign-Up System Volume 3. These are all done for you. There's even one in the health and fitness niche, huge niche. All right, so these are all Products Online Empire, Website Builder Empire, done for you video, Product Empire, video marketing's massive. Done for you Empire Volume 1, Empire 2, Empire 3, Strategies and Tactics, Traffic and Content, eBooks, Empire Mega Pack, Marketing, How to Market, a fire sale Empire. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 done for you products in here that he's created for you to promote. And he teaches you how to promote within these video tutorials that I just shown you. And there's also some more training here. So there's some more funnels to promote here. So there'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account. It's totally free to join, and even if you don't want to promote Aaron's products, you can just learn from him as now a 7-figure earner coach, free coaching. You've got free done for you funnels there to promote. You've got 100+ step-by-step video tutorials, and you're learning there from a grandmaster. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to get notified of my new videos. So there's several new videos every week, and currently I've got over 850 videos on the channel. So to get access, there'll be a link in the description where you get access to the 100+ video tutorial. Just set up a free account there, and if you've got any questions on that, then please leave those in the comments below. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.